Welcome back to Lazy Grandpa's Garage. Today, we're going to replace the primer bulb on a Tecumseh engine. Right inside here, around the primer bulb, there is a ring. This primer bulb is all hard, and you can see that right in here, where it's all discoloring, and it's getting weak. Alright, let's get this primer bulb out. First off, we'll get this out of here. There's a little clip right here, is what goes in and holds it all in place tight. We'll get that out. And for a new primer, we're going to use an Oregon primer. And that part number is 49085. I purchased this off of Amazon. I can put a link for it down in the bottom in the description. So we got the bulb and we got the ring on there. The little tabs on the ring should stick up so it's sticking out towards you. A 19mm socket fits it perfectly. So we're going to shove that in there. Grab the 10-pound sledgehammer. Alright, a little bit more just to make sure. We don't want to kill it. Alright, now that we got some light on the subject, let's see if we can keep this. See if you can see that. You can see it coming up. Now we'll prime it, and we'll see if it'll start. There you have it. Job done. Now we'll get that thing cleaned up. Have a good day.